Now that the SSDR has been applied to our track, you can tell because the intervals on the SSDR stage have turned a lighter gray, we're ready to export to OMS. From the menu bar, select File and choose Export Composition. It's important to keep in mind that if any tracks have only been partially processed on some stages, exporting a composition will only export the bottommost completed interval. For example, if we'd only run SSDR on frames 1 to 97, when the frame is exported, only the processed intervals will be compressed using SSDR. On the other intervals that were not processed, only the mesh data from the load assets stage will be exported. We'll use SSDR on our entire clip to maximize compression. Let's get back to our Export Final Composition window. Next, we'll configure the export settings. First, we'll select a location for our exported clip. Click the white box below Output Path that says Click to select directory. This will open up the Save To File Explorer. Using the File Explorer, choose a folder where you want to export your OMS. For example, we'll make a new folder somewhere outside of our workspace directory and choose that. Below the Output Path field, we can see the frame range indicators. These can be set to our choice of start and end frame, as long as the frames we are exporting exist inside of that range. The export composition will only export frames with intervals present in our composition. So if you want to export the whole clip, the end frame can be any large number. For now, we want to export our whole clip from frame 0 to 239, so we can leave these settings as is. Now that we've configured these general settings, we're ready to set up our exports. Press the plus button to the right of Export Sequences to open the new Output Sequence window.